2x squared plus 3x plus 10 divided by x plus 1 to multiply x plus 2 into partial fraction. In having a question like this, before we start solving, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones and put the like button. So let's try to solve these questions. This into partial fraction. So the first thing that you are going to do, you will divide the denominator by numerator. So let's start solving by getting these facts. Let's solve it. We have denominators, which is numerator 2x squared plus 3x plus 10 to divide x plus 1 onto x plus 2. So the first thing you are going to do, let's try to multiply this to make it easy. We have x plus 2. Let's see what it will be equal to. X times x. We have x squared plus x plus 2x. This is a 1 times x squared plus this. So you start again. X times 2, we have a 2x onto 1 times 2. We have a plus 2. So everything, the expansion will give you x squared. Let me try to write it for those who are learning first. X times x, x squared. X times 2, we have 2x. 1 times x plus x. 1 times 2 plus 2. So I'll try to do it again to make it easy. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. So this is denominator. We are now using this denominator to divide numerator. So this is how it will look like. We have something like this. So we have roots. Let's have it in this form. So which is x squared plus 3x plus 2 on 2 is dividing 2x squared plus 3x plus 10. So if we're able to view the question from the beginning, you observe that this is the numerator, 2x squared plus 3x plus 10 to divide x plus 1, x plus 2. But you must expand x plus 1 and x plus 2 to get the accurate answer. So in dividing this value. So now, let's now divide this and see what exactly happened. So x squared to divide 2x squared, it will surely give you plus 2. Now x squared to multiply 2x, we have 2x squared. So 3x to multiply 2x, we have a plus 6x. 2 times 2, we have plus 4. So we try to subtract. So by the time you subtract this, we have minus 3x. 3x minus 6x to give you minus 3x. So 10 minus 4, we have plus 6. So telling you that the divisions of 2x squared plus 3x plus 10 to divide x squared plus 3x plus 2 will surely give you 2 number. Now plus minus 3x plus 6 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. So this is how it now looks like. So this is now what we want to solve to expand the partial fractions. So we have 2 plus minus 3x plus 6 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. So what exactly that we need now is this that we are turning to partial fraction. So the one that the green is, it is now what you want to turn to partial fraction before the question. So let's start solving this now. So we start with this, which is minus 3x plus 6 to divide x squared plus 3x plus 2. It will surely give you minus 3x plus 6 over x plus 1 in expansions of this x plus 2. So now let's turn now to equivalent this to partial form. So we have this is minus 3x plus 6 over x plus 1 onto x plus 2. It will surely give you, in expansions of this to partial form, let's try to rewrite it to have a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. So this is the partial form. So now we try to expand further. We have minus 3x plus 6 is equal to the a. We multiply x plus 2 plus b. We multiply x plus 1. So let's try to expand. We have reached here. So let's expand. In our expansions, we have minus 3x plus 6 is equal to ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. So the first thing you are going to do, you find the coefficient of x. Coefficients of x, which will give you minus 3 is equal to a plus b. So if minus is equal to a plus b, telling you that a plus b is equal to minus 3. So if a plus b is equal to minus 3, let's also find the coefficients of constants. Coefficient of constants. So if you find the coefficient of constant, you realize that in finding the coefficient of constant, so the coefficient of constant, you see that c is constant, 2 is constant, and b is constant. So now we have, so from the coefficient of the constants, so we have 6 is equal to 2a plus b. So we note this one as equation 1. We note this as equation 2. So therefore, let's try to reason the equation 1 and 2 together. Equation 1 and 2, let's combine them together to have, let's have something like this. Let me have something like this. So now, in combining equation 1 together, we have minus 3. We have a plus b is equal to minus 3. So this one is 2a plus b is equal to 6. So this is exactly what we need now. So therefore, in having this, let's try to subtract from one equation to the other. So in our subtraction, a minus 2a to give you minus a. Let me go back. B is give you minus a, which is equal to minus 3 minus is give you minus 9. So the minus will cancel minus. A is equal to 9. So if a is equal to 9, let's go and find any of the equation. A plus b is equal to minus 3. So therefore, if a plus b is equal to minus 3, so and our a is 9 plus b is equal to minus 3, therefore our b is equal to minus 3 minus 9. So b is equal to minus 12. So if b is equal to minus 12, and we recall from our equation that at here we have the value of a over b will be the expansions of minus 3x, will surely be the expansions of this. So from here you notice that minus 3x plus 6 to divide x plus 1 onto x plus 2. So we have gotten the value of a and b. So that is exactly where area we are going to. So we continue from that place. So now let's write the equation back again in a proper way to get exactly where we are going. So recalls that we started from area like minus 3x plus 6 over x plus 1 onto x plus 2. Recalls that we write it in form of a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. So now we have gotten the value of a and b. It will surely give you, so the value of our a from our questions there, it is plus 9. That is a 9 over x plus 1. Our b, it is minus 12 onto x plus 2. So therefore we'll try to rewrite it again in a form that 9 over x plus 1. So by the time you multiply minus and plus together, it will surely give you minus. So therefore, you need to give you minus 12 over x plus 2. So now, our expansion now, so telling you that, recall from the questions, the question says that the question let us to know that 2x squared plus 3x plus 10 over x plus 1 onto x plus 2. Our first division gives us 2 plus minus 3x plus 6 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. So this is what we manipulate to give us 2 plus, it gives us 2. So expansions of this is now our final answer, which is now 9 over x plus 1 minus 12 over x plus 2. So this is the exact final expansions answer for this. You're able to realize that the expansions of this of 2x squared plus 3x plus 10 to divide x plus 1 x plus 2 give us, it firstly give us 2 plus 3 minus 3x plus 6 to divide x squared plus 3x plus 2. So now our final answer now, it is now 2 plus 9 to divide x plus 1 minus 12 over x plus 2. So this is the basic steps of how to solve partial fraction. So this one include a little bit a polynomial expansion. So I want you not to forget to like this video and share this video to those who exactly need it. And even though you need it too, it will be our best opportunity. So thanks exactly for watching this video. So see, this is our final answer.